Welcome to Techtopia X, where we genuinely test, review, and break down products to help you spend smarter, not harder. The product link is in description. If you're looking for a compact drone that delivers stunning aerial footage without the complexity of a professional setup, the DJI Mini 3 Fly More combo with DJI RC is one of the most exciting options available. But is it really worth buying? What do all those impressive numbers actually mean in real-world flying? And why has this drone become such a favorite among beginners and experienced creators alike? One of the biggest highlights is its incredibly lightweight design. At just 248 grams, the Mini 3 stays under the important 249-gram threshold in many regions, making it easier to travel with and simplifying regulations in many locations. Despite its tiny size, it packs impressive imaging technology. The camera features a 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor capable of capturing 48-megapixel photos and recording crisp 4K video at up to 30 frames per second, with a maximum video bitrate of 100 megabits per second. Combined with DJI's smooth 3-axis mechanical gimbal, your footage stays incredibly stable even while flying in breezy conditions. One feature content creators absolutely love is true vertical shooting. Instead of cropping your videos later, the camera rotates for native vertical recording, making it perfect for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, TikTok, and other social platforms with maximum image quality. Flight performance is another area where the Mini 3 shines. Each intelligent flight battery provides up to 38 minutes of flight time under ideal conditions. Since this Fly More combo includes 3 batteries, DJI rates the total available flying time at up to 114 minutes, giving you plenty of opportunities to capture multiple locations before heading home. The included DJI RC Smart Controller makes the experience even more enjoyable. Instead of connecting your smartphone every time you fly, the controller has a bright built-in display with the DJI Fly app already installed. Just power on, connect, and you're ready for takeoff. Need confidence while flying farther away? The Mini 3 uses DJI's reliable O2 digital transmission system, offering video transmission distances of up to 10 kilometers under FCC conditions. That means a strong, stable live video feed whenever you're flying in open environments while always following local regulations and maintaining visual line of sight. DJI also includes intelligent flight modes that make cinematic footage surprisingly easy. Quick shots like drone, rocket, circle, helix, and boomerang allow the drone to perform complex camera movements automatically, creating professional-looking shots with just a few taps. The Mini 3 also supports panoramic photography, HDR photo capture, raw image recording, digital zoom up to 2x in 4K, and GPS-assisted features like precise hovering, automatic return to home, and stable positioning that help make every flight feel smooth and predictable. Its foldable design means it easily slips into a backpack, making it an ideal travel companion whether you're exploring mountains, beaches, cities, or simply capturing family memories from a completely new perspective. So why is this drone such a popular choice? It delivers the perfect balance of portability, image quality, long battery life, beginner-friendly controls, and advanced creative features without the bulk of larger drones. It's powerful enough for aspiring filmmakers while remaining simple enough for first-time pilots to enjoy. If you're ready to capture breathtaking 4K aerial videos and incredible photos from almost anywhere, the DJI Mini 3 Fly More combo with DJI RC continues to be one of the smartest investments in the compact drone category. Thanks for watching Techtopia X. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.